Hi, I'm Margaret, and today we're making marmalade. We're going to start with 1 kilogram of oranges and just 1 lemon. The first job is to squeeze those oranges and get all the juice from them. If you have an electric squeezer, even better. When you've squeezed all the oranges, do the same with the lemon. The next job is to get rid of those little stem ends and cut this into half. Now it will have pulp in the middle, but that doesn't matter. That's all going to disintegrate as we cook marmalade because we do cook it for quite a while. Try and make them as thin as you can. That's about right. Once all the orange is cut into little segments, you can use the lemon, but you don't have to. I'm not going to today. Now pectin, it helps to make it set. And there's a lot of pectin in the pulp. So I'm going to pop that, just like this, into a bit of muslin and tie the ends together. We're going to use this when we cook the marmalade. So we've got everything ready now. So in a large pan, pop in the juice and also the orange rinds, and then 2.5 litres of water. It seems like a lot, but you do need this much. And then the little muslin bag can be tied to the handle of the pot. There we go, and cooked alongside. Let's give it a bit of a stir. Now I'm going to bring this to the boil and I'm going to bubble it for somewhere between 2 and 3 hours. There, it's starting to bubble now. It's coming to the boil. Let's put that string out of the way so it doesn't catch fire. There we go. Now, after 2 or 3 hours, try a little bit of peel. If it breaks when you squeeze it between your fingers, then it's ready. Let's take out the muslin bag and leave it to cool, but don't throw it away, we're going to need that. In goes the sugar, and there's a lot of sugar. I've used preserving sugar because it helps to keep the marmalade clear. It's quite grainy sugar and takes quite a while to dissolve. So I'm going to bubble this again now for about 15, 20, even 30 minutes. There. Now let's squeeze the little muslin bag and pour into the pot. Now let's bubble it again. I'm going to bubble that for about 20 or 30 minutes to get that pectin working. Now, after that time, I'm going to take a little bit and put it onto a cold saucer, and I'm going to pop that in the fridge for 5 minutes to see what happens. When it comes out, if you can run your finger along the saucer and it crinkles, then that's about ready. So let's pop this into the jars. You'll need about 6 regular jars. This one's rather large, so I think I'm going to need about 4 of these. Pop it carefully in. These are sterilised jars. And then I'm going to cover it and leave it in the fridge overnight to set. And it's beautiful on toast. Hope you've enjoyed the recipe today. Take care, and I'll catch you soon.